Hey everybody, Carolyn Crow here. Today I'm gonna make some delicious balsamic glazed chicken thighs for dinner. It's an easy sheet pan meal, so everything that you need is right there on one pan. So let's get started. So it's time to get cooking, but bedtime is already underway, so it's gonna be another video of speaking a little bit quietly. So stick with me here. This is everything that we need for our sheet pan chicken. As usual, don't forget I'll include the full recipe at the end of the video. We're gonna slap together our marinade. 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar, 3/4 of a cup olive oil, 2 teaspoons Italian seasoning, teaspoon of kosher salt, and lots of black pepper. Don't forget when you're chopping to use your kitty paw. Meow. Of course, all you're doing here is making vinaigrette. This is a balsamic vinaigrette, but we're gonna use it as our marinade. Once it's whisked together, pour half of it over the chicken. So while the chicken is marinating, I'll get everything else ready to go. And all that really is just trimming and washing the green beans. It's all gonna go into the oven at the same time. Everything except the croutons. So now that my chicken has been marinating for a little while, I'm gonna plop it onto my sheet pan and then toss the green beans and cherry tomatoes with the rest of the marinade, and then add that to the sheet pan. All of that excess liquid is the enemy of crispiness. So use tongs to take the chicken out of the marinade and put it on the pan. Don't dump all of the marinade on top of it. And then pop it in. Now I'm just gonna get my crusty bread ready to throw on, tearing them to create a rustic crouton effect. Then that's maybe 2 tablespoons of olive oil and a sprinkle of salt, some pepper, okay, the bread is in. See how the cherry tomatoes are starting to pop a little bit? Oh my goodness, it's gonna be so good. The skin is getting a little bit crispy. Okay, I'm putting it back in for 10 more minutes just to crisp up the bread and finish cooking the chicken. The green beans have browned, the cherry tomatoes have popped, the bread is crisp, the chicken skin is perfectly crisp too. We're gonna dig into this, but first I'm gonna try this green bean. I can't wait. The sweetness of the balsamic vinaigrette is totally balanced by that Italian seasoning and a little bit of salt in there too. It's so good. And all of the fat has come out of the chicken skin. That's why you want to get those bone-in skin-on chicken thighs, because you want all that flavor that's coming out of there and going straight into your green beans, your tomatoes, your bread. It's all getting mixed together in there. So we're gonna go enjoy this dinner, and I hope that you will try it and enjoy it too. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.